Hello everybody, long time no see. Y'all see I haven't posted a video in probably about 5 or 6 days. It was my birthday on Friday. I had a busy weekend, good week, and I was just trying to recover. Didn't feel like really recording. So today I got in some scent mail. My lady from Bond 9 in New York sent me something. And then I got an order from Dapper. So let me open this up and we're gonna get into this intro. But before we get into that, welcome. My name is LashawnTerry. Welcome to the Rich Gang. Look around. I do have a playlist for you to look at to see what other hobbies we share in common. Also too, y'all, your girl got a hair did for her birthday. Y'all see how long? Oh my gosh, I haven't done a lock video in a little bit. It's been a while. But every time I go back to her, she be like, oh my gosh, your hair is just getting longer and longer. And it is. I'm in my 5 years. But we ain't here to talk about no locks. We are here to talk about this scent mail. So I just wanted to welcome y'all in. And let me open this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. It is so hot here. It's 99 today, so it's not as bad. We normally in the 3 digits, and I tend to sweat with my glasses on, even though I'm in my car in the air conditioner. I don't want to put my glasses on. Okay, so we got that Dapper right here. This is Car Chronicles, so I don't have to go in the house and then do it. I'm on my way to the grocery store. So this is Dapper. I really do like Dapper. And I shouldn't even tell y'all, I need to gatekeep, because I was telling y'all hoes about Kais, and y'all ain't say me nothing. Oh shoot, I left my water on the counter. Yeah, y'all ain't say me nothing. I don't know what I ordered, y'all. I know I ordered a couple of things, and I asked him if he can send me some samples in a couple of things. But truth be told, y'all, I'm getting kind of over the perfume. If y'all been watching me for some time, y'all know I get bored quick, and I'm on to something else. But smelling good has always been my thing. It's just now I'm looking for stuff that I really, really want and that I like, and not a million things to kind of try. I'm just about out of that phase where it's like, oh, I gotta get this, oh, I gotta get that, oh, I gotta get this. You know, I'm like right there out of that phase. And I see now why a lot of the scent girls stick to the OG or the high-end luxuries, because you have to have a love for that scent, and just getting samples and being like, oh, this smells nice, opposed to just jumping on it where everybody was like, oh, I gotta get that, and then you sitting there stuck with a whole bunch of perfumes that you done pay all this money for, and they sitting there looking back at you. I'm not one to get online and sell. I just seen too many red flags in a lot of these groups where people are getting scammed and things like that. I've wanted to buy fragrances that I really love from people that have it and who say they have it, but I just can't, you know, not to say that these ladies are not trustworthy, but hell, they ain't trust. Some of them are trust. You know, you it's like you have to take a chance, and I don't want to take a chance. So, and I don't think he also sent me all of the samples that I asked for. Thank you, Travis. So we have here Byredo Balder Freak. I wanted to see what his was like. If y'all been watching, I have Duas, and the start off for Duas was not good for me. You have to give it a couple of minutes to let it settle in, and then that's when you get the Balder Freak. I have Bond number 9 Greenwich Village. I've been wanting to try this for some time, and I tried a Bond Greenwich Village from, I forget the name of that company. They sell the perfume oils, the body creams, and I got the oil, and it smelled terrible. Terrible. So it kind of threw me off from getting any more Bond 9 Greenwich Village from anybody, including Dua. But I say, you know what? I'm pleased with Dapper. And let me go ahead and get a little 15 ml. And then I got Zerchi Nail Aqua in the cream in a 30 ml. I was pleased with his Sachero. And I wanted to, and I liked cream. I got a decant of the OG, and I really do like it. Y'all know I love anything lemon. So I do have the OG, and I'm gonna just do this for now, but maybe when I get back in the house, I will come back and you know, maybe do a see how close the dupe comes to the OG. That's nice. And if my recollection in my nose tells me it's pretty close. That smells nice. Let's try Greenwich Village. These are still warm. They've been in my mailbox since for a little over 2 hours, but in the mail car all day. I like it. I like it. Let's do Balder Freak on the hand because I got all kind of scents going. Very pleased. Thank you, Dapper. I always could depend on Dapper. He really do make some really good fragrances, and he puts his own spin on them. If it's something that is a sweet scent or whatever, he's always going to add some more sweetness to it, which I absolutely love. Love it. Love it. Love the Balder Freak. The opening is on point. And then he sent me Lumari Porthole and Strawberry Fluff. I did ask him for the Strawberry Fluff, but I don't know what is this Porthole right here. I don't think I asked for that. But I did want to smell the Strawberry Fluff. Because, you know, I'm just fluffed out, you know? I really am. I'm just marshmallowed really out. I just want to get one marshmallow, and that's Kais. It's nice. Nice little strawberry. It smells like a strawberry shortcake. It's not overly sweet, very soft, fluffy. Like a marshmallow strawberry shortcake or something. He did his one with the ball de fruit. He did his one with the ball de fruit. I'm very pleased with it. Let's see how it dries down, but to start off on spray, I'm liking it. I'm liking everything that I got. Oh, I didn't spray that other stuff. What is this stuff? I don't know what this is. I don't know if I have any more way to spray. I'm also wear testing Dawkins Mood and Pop as well. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad. I'm just trying to get what it is. I have to look this up when I get home, but it's not bad. I just don't know what it is. I wish he would have put me in a scent that's kind of based off of what I have here, or I did put a few in the box for him to send me samples of that I was looking for, but I don't know, I guess he didn't. And so this is my Bond 9. What did she send me? I need her to send me a big box. I need that gardenia. That stuff smells so good, but honey, I am not feeling that price, and nobody's duping it because it's a new scent that they brought out for the spring, summer, but it smells really good. So I'm hoping that she ain't send me something I already have. Or let me open this up. And she called me too, and I didn't answer because I'm not really looking to buy anything from Bond. Unless they, shoot, she doing a sponsorship or something. And they're gonna send me that, gardenia. Here it is. It says, "Thank you so much for your valued patronage. I hope you're enjoying your Park Avenue South Body Silk. Here's some gorgeous scents for you to try." And her name is Farrah. Thank you, Farrah. And she sent me New York Flowers, Jones Beach, and Greenwich Village. And I just got Greenwich Village. So now I could do a comparison perfume to perfume, because I don't have Greenwich Village perfume. I love New York Flowers. That's another one that I would like to get. So y'all dupe houses, Dapper, Dua, can y'all do Gardenia and New York Flowers, please? I would love Dapper to do New York Flowers. It's so beautiful. I would like him to do Gardenia too. This is Jones Beach. So she just sent me 3. And thank you, because I think I used all of my New York Flowers that she sent me last time. And then the last one she sent me the Gardenia. And they don't make that in a body silk, because I would love New York Flowers. They do have in the body silk. And I meant to go smell it, because I ain't been having too much luck outside of New York Nights. Greenwich Village is nice, but it's very light. You would definitely need to do the perfume over it to get that smell, for you to be able to smell it. You would definitely need to get the perfume. It's a very light fragrance in the body silk. So, but New York Nights is the one for me. My other 2, I just, you know, just didn't care for it. That's why I haven't used it. Park Avenue South, I liked it because it had the peach scent, and anywhere I went, they only had the perfume. They didn't have the body silk for me to smell it to see if it had the same scent. So that's the thing with some of them, is that what you smell in the perfume may not be what you're smelling in the body silk. Again, Greenwich Village, you will smell it. It's just a very light fragrance in the body silk. But New York Nights is their beast, that I have, and that will, you don't need the perfume for people to smell it. You will smell it on your skin. And if you add a perfume to it, like I do, like Le Labo's Jasmine 17, it just takes it to another height. But I do have New York Nights from Dua in the perfume, and he did an amazing job with it. So that's that. So let me get my butt to the grocery store because I'm hungry, and I need to get going so I can get back home. So with that being said, with these, I will come and do a OG Jolie cream with the Dapper's dupe. I will do a battle of the Balder Freaks against the OG Balder Freak. The only thing is I have Balder Freak in the cream, in the body cream with Byredo. I don't have the perfume. I don't think I do. I have to look to see if they gave me a sample. And then what else I have? His Balder Freak smells good. Yeah, I think those are the only three. Yeah. So I will come back and do those in another video, but this was just a first impression in our little car vlogs, opening up scent mail, and I will get this out to y'all. So until the next video, peace.